Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here I'm talking about different print-on-demand business topics, and today I want to talk about Redbubble. Is it really a best platform for an artist? What you can expect from this platform, and some pros and cons of using Redbubble as your sales channel, why you should or should not use this platform. First of all, what is Redbubble? Redbubble is one of print-on-demand platforms. You can register on it and start selling your art, your different works, and earn some money, some royalties from the sales that will be on this platform. Like on other different pod platforms, you can have a traffic from Redbubble there inside a search on the platform, and you don't need to do a lot of things to create the product or to send it to a customer or other payment things. And to be honest, we can separate two different ways of starting a print-on-demand business. One of them is as an artist, as a designer, and the second one as a businessman, because what I see now is that we have a lot of different designers that create and sell art that they really like, and a lot of art is more creative, more different from other ideas, merch ideas, but there are a lot of businessmen too who usually don't create any art by themselves, and they just make pretty similar designs to other businessmen, and not a lot of interesting things in their portfolios, but usually they have a really big portfolio with designs for almost any topic. So if you're an artist, you should definitely think about starting a Redbubble, and let's talk about its main pluses and minuses. First is, of course, easiness of using this platform. It starts with registration. You have a very simple registration process. It will be easy for anyone to register on this platform. I also have a video on my channel about a registration process, so you can also watch it and make all steps of registrations with this video too. But even without a video, it is a really easy process, and you can also be paid by PayPal account or to your bank account, for example, for a Payoneer account, which is quite easy in registration too. And after registration, the next step, uploading your designs and also writing right titles, tags, description of your designs is quite easy too. Yes, of course, it will be much better if you will spend some time and understand how Redbubble search algorithms work, and what you should use in your text and other parts of description. But even if you will not have the best title, the best description and text, you can also find yourselves on Redbubble, because good creative art is always in demand on this platform, and you can also make some profit from your different designs. The next thing is about fan art program. You can also make some arts that are connected with different brands. Yes, not with any brand, but Redbubble has a lot of different brands which work with this platform, and if you want to make some illustrations, some creative art for different programs, you can also upload them to Redbubble, and if they will be chosen, you can also sell it like a fan art and get your sales from different franchises. For example, let's see how it works with a Rick and Morty brand. And if you want to make a fan art for Adult Swim, the right holder of Rick and Morty, you need to upload your design using these rules, these guidelines, and you can read all the key moments about which art can be sold with Rick and Morty brand and what you don't need to create. For example, you can use some characters like King Jellybean and other, and you can also create your own characters if you want to upload your artwork. And if you will create something good and connected with this brand, when you are uploading your design, you need to fill also these tags which you can see here, and after the upload in some days you will get an email if your art is okay and if it will be sold on Redbubble. Yes, different print-on-demand platforms has fan art programs too. You can find different brands on different platforms, but from my experience, when you are uploading on Redbubble, it is easier to get approved, to get your art approved, and to have some sales from listing on Redbubble. Another good thing with Redbubble is your margin, your profit from any sales, and on this platform you can set your markup or percentage of your margin. So for example, for a t-shirt, if you will set a 30% markup, you can earn from $4 to $11 depending on which t-shirt will be sold, and it is a really good thing for an artist, because if we're talking about some businessmen with some really simple designs, it is often a good idea to set not a high price, but if you are creating really interesting art and your art isn't similar to other designers, you can set a higher markup, and your target audience will buy it even for a higher price. And by changing your markup, you can also grow your profits higher, and it can be seen really good at the end of the month when you will compare your profits with a basic markup on Redbubble. Another good thing of Redbubble is a very wide range of products on which you can sell your art. We can find a lot of different variants from t-shirts, mugs, from some printable stickers and other things that I don't even know that they exist. And sometimes you can have sales even in leggings, what is not really the best product for merch, but for you it is not a big deal, because you don't need to product anything, you only upload your design once, and all next things are on Redbubble's site. Okay, but what about minuses of Redbubble? Because there are no any things that are only positive or only negative in this world, and Redbubble also has some minuses for designers, and first of them is that you don't have any personal connection with your customers, and you can't write any text to your buyer. Yes, it's a plus too, because you don't need to spend your time on a lot of different processes, because you don't need to check if it is printed correctly with any returns and others, but you can't also have any communication with your customer, so it is more general and you should also understand it. Another thing is about traffic. Yes, of course, you want and need to have as much customers on your listings as it can be, but if you will create only designs that you like, you shouldn't get a lot of sales because you need to create your designs for some trending niches. And of course, if you want to have good sales, you need also to make some researches what sells good on this platform, and you need to create not only the things that you like, but the things that the audience like too. For me, it's not a big deal because I like to create art for different themes and different topics, and of course I can find a lot of different trending searches that are with good search volume from one side and which I like too from another side. And I think the main and last question about Redbubble is about your earnings, and can you make Redbubble for living? Can you earn a lot of money to create only an art for Redbubble and to do nothing else? And for me the answer is no, because yes, there are some designers, some businessmen on Redbubble that can earn thousands of dollars each month, but most of designers on this platform can earn hundreds of dollars each month, but not thousands. And it is only one of print-on-demand platform, and if you want to make your own print-on-demand business, you should definitely use not only one platform, but different platforms, and maybe even create your own store on Shopify or on some other platform. And in this variant you can also make it for living, but it is really hard to live only from Redbubble profits. In most cases it's only an additional income source, and you can earn and get some extra money from Redbubble, but it can't be the only way of money for the most of people. So that's all for today. Subscribe to this channel. Here you can find a lot of information about print-on-demand business and also some trending design ideas. I wish you a lot of sales in your business, and see you soon. Bye.